What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK42865HD ELE-TK. This is going to be our electric brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle using Timken bearings and the 9/16 heavy duty studs. See right here, this box you get it in, it's got a nice logo on it. We got our two smaller boxes here. Keep everything nice and neat while it gets to you. And we'll pull our true ride hub and drum out. This is going to be with our 9/16 studs and our 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, as well as the races are already pressed in. Then we have our backing plate here, magnet. Everything's all ready to go on here, just bolted up, ready to go. Then we have our other box here with our small parts. We got our Timken bearings, our small parts. Then we have our other hub and drum. And our other backing plate. So in this kit we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. We can see right here, this sticker is going to show us left hand, right hand. And we have our inner bearings. These are going to be the 25 5/80s. You can see right here, they just slide in right here. Ready to go. Then we're going to get two of the 14 125As. And these are going to be our outer bearings. And these are just going to slide in right there. Then we're going to get our grease caps. We're going to get 4 grease caps. 2 of them are going to have this hole in them for the easy lube spindles. And 2 of them are going to be solid for just the regular spindles. Our easy lube spindles are going to come with the rubber plug in them. And we're going to have our backing plate hardware here. Now these studs are generally going to come in the plate on the axle, but they're not pressed in or anything, so sometimes they fall out. So we usually send a set along with these just to make sure you have them. So they'll go through the plate on the axle and then through here. You'll tighten them down and you're good to go. And we have our seals. We're going to get 4 of these. We're going to get 2 smaller and 2 thicker ones. These are going to be the 1 1/8 versus the 1 1/4. These 1 1/8 ones are for the newer style spindles and axles. We do send the 1 1/4 just in case you need them for the older style spindles and axles. So we're going to have our lug nuts here. We're going to get 16 of these. Now these are the washer lug nuts. These are going to be for the hub piloted style wheels. They are the 9/16 and they just slide on just like this. Then we have our hardware here. And these are going to be the castle nuts. We're going to get 2 of these. Then we're going to get 2 of these solid washers for our regular spindles. And we're going to get 2 of these tang washers, and these are going to be for our easy loop spindles. Then we're going to get 2 cotter pins. And these are going to be, you're more than likely you're not going to need these, but we like to send them just in case you need them. That's going to be it, guys. That's the BK42865 ELE-TK.